Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G35 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we can take a look at this option bar, and on the third position from the right we've got the timer, so let's tap on it. And in this device we've got 3 options, so off, 10 and 3 seconds delay. Just tap on the option you'd like to use, and as you can see the icon will change immediately. So now all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Of course, if you want to, you can also turn off the timer. Just tap on this icon again and tap on this crossed out icon. And from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.